Hurry up, come back in the house, it's cold. John, hurry. Don't eat the snow, that's yucky, come on. Mary.
These got dirty. I got a lot of snow.
Bring it up here and let me see. Catch some on your tongue. No, don't eat it. Yucky. John. Bring it up and show me your snow. You ready for some cocoa? What are you making?
A snow angel.
A snow angel? On the porch?
Huh?